Politeness and courtesy, the heart of professional communication. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the realm of politeness and courtesy in formal communication. This is especially important in professional settings, as the way we communicate can leave lasting impressions and impact our working relationships. In professional environments, especially in the global business world, people come from diverse backgrounds. Being polite and courteous bridges cultural and linguistic gaps. It helps in building trust. Trust is fundamental in any professional relationship. When you're polite, people find you more trustworthy. Avoiding misunderstandings. Politeness gives clarity to your intentions. It reduces the chances of messages being misconstrued. Understanding when to be formal is essential. Formal communication, used in official meetings, written reports, and professional emails. It usually follows specific structures and avoids slang. Informal communication, more relaxed and used among peers or in less official settings. Think of casual conversations at the coffee machine or quick team chats. While both types of communication have their place, it's crucial to maintain courtesy across both. Here are some valuable tips to ensure your verbal communication is top-notch. 1. Active listening. Show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Avoid interrupting. 2. Use please and thank you. These words go a long way in showing respect. 3. Avoid negative language. Instead of saying, "I don't know," you can say, "Let me check on that for you." 4. Tone of voice. Ensure your tone is consistent with the message you want to convey. It's also crucial to recognize potential pitfalls. 1. Being too direct. While being clear is good, being overly blunt can come off as rude. For example, instead of saying, "You're wrong," you could say, "I see where you're coming from, but I have a different perspective." 2. Using slang or jargon. In diverse settings, not everyone may understand specific terms or colloquial phrases. 3. Not addressing people properly. Always ensure you're using the appropriate title or name, especially when meeting someone for the first time. And there we have it. Understanding politeness and courtesy in verbal communication can be your key to smoother interactions in the workplace. Remember, the way we speak reflects who we are. Let's put our best foot forward and make every conversation count. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been of great help.